Diction 1. Integrated Science from Grade 9. Paper 1. Theory. Section A. 30 marks. Answer all the questions in this section. In a community clean water project, students used biology, chemistry, and physics. What is the benefit? Memorization, practical problem solving, focusing on exams, limiting subjects. The answer is B. Practical problem solving. Number 2. During a science lesson, learners discussed chemical symbols of the following elements: hydrogen, nitrogen, aluminium, and silver. Which of the following sets shows the correct chemical symbol for each of the following elements? Hydrogen, nitrogen, aluminium. No, because aluminium is written in small letter. The answer is D. Hydrogen correct. Nitrogen correct. Aluminium yes, and Ag, that is for argentum. Silver correct. Number 3. A chemical bottle shows a flame icon. What hazard is this? Toxic? No. Flammable? Yes, it is flammable. During a class discussion on function of the parts of the male reproductive system, learners identified functions of various parts of the system. The function of testes is to produce hormones and sperms, yes. Transport sperms only, no. Produce sperms only, no. Transport sperms and produce hormones, no. So the answer is A. To produce hormones and sperms. Number 5. The diagram below was drawn by a learner to represent the female reproductive system with the parts labeled K, L, M, and N. Use the diagram to answer the question 14 and 15. The part labeled N represent the cervix. M is uterus, L is ovary, and K is fallopian tube or oviduct. The other name for uterus is womb. Fertilization takes place at part labeled K, L, M, N. The answer is K. This is where fertilization takes place. Then implantation takes place at part labeled M in the uterus, anywhere in the uterus along the walls or uterine walls. During a class experiments on the properties of magnets, a learner freely suspended a magnet as shown in the diagram below. We have wound and stand, and suspended magnets. Which of the following is the correct direction the bar magnet would be aligned to? So, when the bar of a magnet is suspended freely in the air, it aligns itself to north to south. North, south. That is C. North, south. North, south. Number 8. During a laboratory lesson in a school, learners were asked to identify samples indicating oxidizing substances. Which one is it? A. No, A is for radioactive, C is for toxic, and D for oxidizing. Number 9. Learners wanted to measure exactly 10 cm cubic of acid. Which apparatus will be used? Beaker? No. Beaker is for approximate volumes. Pipette? No. Pipette measures 25 cm cubic of liquid. measuring cylinder? Yes, it can measure from 1 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100 centimeters cubic. Flask? No. During a group discussion, learners listed the following as benefits of studying various subjects. To understand nature, this is geography. Strengthens one's faith. This is CRE. Improves one's behavior. This is life skill. Solve problems in their life. Yes. Which one of the benefit of studying integrated science? The answer is Roman 3 and Roman 4. That is cut. Understanding the nature, it's all about geography. Strengthening one's faith, this is RE. So obvious the answer becomes Roman 3 and Roman 4. Number 11. The diagram below was drawn by a learner to show parts of the human urinary system with the parts 11P, Q, R, and S. Use the diagram to answer the question 13, 17, and 18. But P, this is the left kidney. Q is ureters. R is urinary bladder. And S is urethra. The part that stores urine temporarily is represented by letter R. This is C. Substances in nature exist either as elements or compounds. During a lesson, learners classified substances into elements and compounds. Which one of the following pairs of substances consists only of compounds? Copper and iron, these are elements. Iron and water. Iron is an element, but water is a compound. Water and carbon dioxide, these are both compounds. Copper is an element, but carbon dioxide is a compound. A compound comprises of two or more elements that are chemically combined. But elements, these are in a class discussion. To classify mixtures, learners were given the following mixtures: salt and sand, sugar and water, kerosene and water, milk and water. Which two of these mixtures are homogeneous? The answer is sugar and water and milk and water. Roman 2 and Roman 4. I say Roman 2 and Roman 4. During a class discussion on metals and inanimetals, learners were asked to classify the following elements: calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, and sodium. Which one of these pairs of elements consists only of metals? The answer is Roman 1 and Roman 4, calcium and sodium. Sulfur is an metal, phosphorus is an metal. The following are some changes that take place in day-to-day life: water becoming ice, reversible, fermenting of milk, chemical, rusting of iron nails, chemical, drying of wet clothes, physical. Physical changes: Roman 1 and Roman 4. That is 1, 4, 1, 4. The answer is wrong. The answer is wrong. This is what I have for you today. Number 1 to 15. Next video will be number 16 to 30. Stay tuned. Follow, and follow. Comment. Leave a comment for me to review. See you in the next video. Prediction 1.